A lot of times you get in the comments, doctor, can you recommend me a ceramide cream or a ceramide serum? Now, we've scoured the entire internet to find what is the best ceramide product, and we actually got our hands on an affordable product, and yet it's an effective product. So for today, our video, I'll be reviewing the 5x Ceramide Barrier Repair Moisture Gel from Skintific. However, guys, before we continue with the video, we realize that most of you are not subscribers to the channel. So if you do not mind just hitting that subscribe button, it helps with our channel tremendously. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skinfyx, the place whereby we review as many products as possible and give you the lowdown or the breakdown of what's in a particular skincare product and whether it's suitable for your skin or not. Now, before we go into the product review itself, let's talk about ceramide. Now, ceramide has been gaining popularity over the past couple of years thanks to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Just to give you a brief summary of what ceramide is, ceramide is already available in your skin. Ceramide is a fatty layer or a lipid layer which sits on the top layer of your skin, which is your epidermal layer. And your epidermis actually consists 20 to 30% ceramide. So mainly what's the function of ceramide? There are two main functions: to keep things out and to keep things in. Now, what do I mean by that? So ceramide is actually a protective barrier. So because it is oil-based, it prevents water or moisture from inside your skin from getting out. It means that it traps moisture in your skin. It makes sure that your skin is nicely hydrated throughout the entire day. And it also keeps things out. What does it mean? That means it prevents bacteria, fungi, allergens from actually getting into your skin, which will further irritate your skin, causing you to have skin infection, causing you to have skin allergies, or even causing extreme skin dryness. Now, this particular function is called a skin barrier function. Now, in most people, I would say in 99% of people, we do not have an issue with skin barrier. However, there are a few skin issues whereby when your skin barrier is disrupted, you're gonna get a lot of skin issues. Now, there are only three scenarios whereby you have a break in skin barrier. Number one, acute trauma. That means that you have an injury to your skin, whether you've scratched your skin, whether there's an infection, or whether it's an acne. Now what happens is then your skin barrier is broken, allowing debris, bacteria to get in and allowing moisture to actually get out. Now the second one is when you are actually exposed to something that your skin is allergic to. And once your skin is allergic to something, it produces some sort of inflammation causing you to scratch your skin. Then that's acute trauma, and that itself will disrupt the skin barrier. And of course, third of all is a chronic skin condition. There are many chronic skin issues which will create or disrupt your skin barrier, one of which is something called eczema. So in cases of eczema, you actually have a very thin skin barrier, means that moisture escapes and all these things you're allergic to actually gets into your skin. Now, enough of that, let's jump into the product review. Now, we've looked throughout the internet for a ceramide cream, which is useful for almost everybody, and at the same time it doesn't break your bank, because ceramide isn't a cheap ingredient. Ceramide actually is a pretty expensive ingredient. Hence, a lot of skincare products with ceramide are actually quite expensive. Now, however, we've come across the Skintific 5x Barrier Moisture Gel, and on the moisture gel, it contains three main ingredients: hyaluronic acid, centella asiatica, and something called marine collagen. Now, let's have a look at its ingredients first. Now, the reason why it's called 5x ceramide because it contains 5 different types of ceramide. Now, the different types of ceramide are actually for the different layers of the skin, and it actually has different molecules. So those are a little bit more fancy stuff, but trust me when I say that 5x ceramide is good enough for your skin. There's no need to go more than that. So that itself already helps your skin barrier. Now, what about centella asiatica? Centella asiatica in this particular cream it's actually an anti-inflammatory. That means that if you feel that skin is irritated, maybe due to acne or maybe due to mild infection, centella asiatica will help calm your skin down. And once the skin is calm, when the inflammation reduces, your skin barrier will automatically repair itself. And once you have a breakage in your skin barrier, your skin is going to get dehydrated, hence the hyaluronic acid comes in. Now, in the Skintific Moisture Gel, it contains sodium hyaluronic, which is easily absorbable by all skin types. Doesn't matter whether you have oily skin, dry skin, or even sensitive skin. Now next up is marine collagen. Now in this instance, it's actually a ingredient called actoin. Now what actoin is an antioxidant which helps promote natural collagen growth in your skin. Now actoin is actually derived from bacteria which comes from marine life. Now when you have all this added together, now you have a good cream which can be used for acne prone skin, can use for sensitive skin, and can be used for even dry skin. Now that's just the ingredients itself. How about the texture? Is it suitable for your skin? Now one of the downside of most ceramide creams that I've seen in the market is it's oily. Now the reason it's oily because as earlier we mentioned, ceramide is oil based. But in this instance, it's actually not as oily as I think it should be. Now it's actually less oily. It's more of a cream base. Now most ceramide is more of a lotion base. This is in turn more of a cream base. It applies quite smoothly on your skin and it doesn't leave any stickiness, which a lot of ceramide creams actually do. So it means that this particular cream is easily absorbed and is perfect even if you have acne prone skin. Now in previous videos, I did mention if you have acne prone skin, avoid ceramide products because it tends to clog your pores. But in this instance, if you have acne prone skin and your skin is actually recovering from acne breakout, you can actually use the Skintific Barrier Moisture Gel. Now one of the reasons I say it's affordable because for this particular gel, it is 30 grams, but it only retails for roughly less than 50 ringgit, which is roughly about 15 to 20 US dollars. Now most ceramide creams actually are double to triple that particular price. Okay guys, let me know what you think of this Skintific product, especially their Ceramide Moisture Gel. Let me know in the comments below, and if you have any other questions, please type in the comments so that the next video we can actually do something to actually address them. Do not forget to like, comment, and as well as forward this video to your family and friends. And remember to always turn on the bell button because we release new video on a weekly basis. Now that's it from me. I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed.
Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skinfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skinfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skinfyx, your digital skin doctor.